What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another banging video. And in today's video, we will be stitching out a character from a TV show, which is Dragonballz Z. The character name is Frieza. Once again, I probably said it on the other video before, I'm not a big fan of Dragonballz Z. Sorry, please don't hate me, guys. It's just something I just wasn't that used to and didn't get into watching or whatever. But long story short, the character we'll be stitching out is Frieza. Hopefully you guys like the video. And in this video, we will be using some felt. So we will be using the felt because that will be the background. Of course, I think Frieza is like a grayish white. So I'm just gonna go with a white felt. So we're gonna go ahead and apply that. So it'll be an applique. So this will be an applique video. So we will go ahead and apply that and then lay that down and cut everything out and start everything up. So guys, definitely stay tuned and go ahead and do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. Thank you. So since the background is going to be white, I'll go ahead and, like I said, and lay the felt down. And this will just be so I can get the true shape and size of how big it will be. It's going to be a nice sized patch. Okay, so it looks great. Everything looks straight and in proportion of where everything's supposed to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. And I am using a black thread for the border, for the actual cut stitch, because that's what I'm about to use for the border stitch, which is a black for the satin stitch. So that's why I am using the black for the running stitch. Everything stays down. Perfect. So I'm going to take it off, cut it out, and then we'll be right back.
Five hours later.
Man, this is tough trying to do this on camera, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I have everything cut out. Yeah, probably could clean it up just a little bit more. Let me try to do that real quick. So this is the best I can get it. So what I am going to do is I have a black bobbin in for the thread, and it was just for I can do the border. I'm going to take this out and swap it out for the purple, because that's going to be the top of the head. It's purple, so let me change that out and I'll be right back, guys. So I do have the top thread changed already to the purple. Now it's time for the bobbin, and of course I have my handy dandy bobbin set. If I can zoom in, there we go. So I think it's gonna be a darkish purple. So this is the one I'm going to go with. You can see it, guys. If it can actually, whatever. Okay, so yep, that's the one I am going to go with. So let me go ahead and set that up. Now, cover on. Perfect. Now it's time to get everything started. I'm trying to debate if I should cut that jump stitch. You guys watch my channel, you know how I feel about jump stitches. it actually won't be in the way, so I can wait until the end and then I'll go ahead and cut it. So sorry about that zoom in. Coming out good so far, clean. You can't see any of the white that's coming out on the background, so that's a good thing. So real quick, guys, just a side note. So I will be doing a giveaway soon. Now, I can't tell you what I'm giving away, but just know it has something to do with embroidery. So what I'm gonna need you guys to do is this. In order to win, or in order to even be in the runner-up or to place for the giveaway, you have to do 3 things. 1, you have to subscribe to the channel. 2, you have to like the video, which is this one. And 3, you have to comment "done" on any video, and you will be randomly selected. I am gonna do like a 1 through 30. So I'll probably pick a number or something like that, and whichever one is that pick, that's the one that wins. So I am doing 1 through 30. So just a heads up. So don't wait, hurry up, go and do it now. And definitely stay tuned to the video. Also, do not forget, go ahead and head over to the Instagram channel, which everything is in the description below, and go ahead and follow the Instagram channel as well. It'll be greatly appreciated, guys. Thank you. Perfect, perfect. So now it'd be, wow, really? Okay, I'm back. So now we'll be going to the next color, which will be red for the eyes. Let's go ahead and start changing the threads. It's not going to take long. It's like 1 minute, I think. It says 1 minute, but I know it's going to be less than that because it's so small. So I'm not going to change the bobbin. I'm going to keep it purple. Hopefully y'all does it. Sorry about that. Hopefully it doesn't mess up, but hey, we will find out soon enough. Perfect. That wasn't a minute at all. Okay, so, I mean, it usually gives you a rough estimate anyway. So, all right, now we're going to go into the last stitch out, which would be the border stitch and all of the details that's inside. So let's go ahead and set everything up and get that started. So how is it coming out so far, guys? Let me know down in the comment section below. Does it look like Frieza? Yes, no, maybe so. Coming out good. I mean, it looked clean from my, my perspective right here, so it looks dope. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about how the video is turning out, the stitch out, and how the embroidery is coming out. I honestly think making the background with the felt actually came out great. It actually makes the patch actually pop just a little bit more. I felt like it was just going to be too much white thread. It would have took so long to stitch out. So that's why I did go with the felt. So it actually coming out great. I'm not going to lie. Let me cut that. And everything is done, guys. Everything is finished embroidering. So what I am going to do is take everything out of the hoop and show you guys the final result. Stay tuned. All right, guys, talk to me. Let me know what you guys think. It's done. So what I am going to do is, if I can find my freight check, I'll probably do it after the video, but I am going to lay some freight check on it before I do pop it out, because like I said, by me doing the felt and having a border stitch, all I have to do, sorry about that, is just push it and it's just going to pop right out of the stabilizer. So let me know, guys, how does it look? I will get it closer up for you guys. So let me know, how did it turn out? There's certain parts where I could have added some more pull comp, which is here and probably here. So I could have added a pull comp to that. I did probably 1 or 2, but by it being so tight, I probably had to do about 3 to 4 just for it to be not as tight. So definitely let me know, guys, what you think about the video. Let me know what you think about the patch. How did it come out, especially to you Dragon Ball Z fans. So once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and as always, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness, guys. And I'm out.